In this session, let us learn about Zipf distribution. Zipf distributions are used to sample database on Zipf laws. In a collection, the nth common term is 1 by 9 times of the most common term. Example, fifth common word in English occurs nearly 1/5 times as of the most used word. It has two parameters: a distribution parameter, size, the shape of the returned array. See the example. Draw out a sample of Zipf distribution with distribution parameter 2 with size 2 into 3. See, if we execute the code, the result returns this 1 2 2 1 1 1. Visualization of Zipf distribution. Create a 0D array with visual 42. See, if we execute this code, the result returns this. Okay friends, this is the end of part 30 Zipf distribution. In next video, let us learn about another topic, NumPy union function. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.